Welcome to the second lesson of the submodule about information and data literacy. This second lesson is about understanding information and data. Before we get started with different types of information and data and how to recognize them, we explain the concept of computational thinking in this video. Computational thinking is a way of thinking and solving problems similar to how a computer works. It includes the ability to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces, recognize patterns and rules, make abstractions and generalizations, and follow logical steps to find a solution. In other words, computational thinking helps us reason in a structured and systematic way when tackling problems by using decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, and algorithmic design. Now, you may be wondering why this is relevant to understanding information and data. Well, in this digital world, information and data are often abundant and can seem complex and confusing. However, computational thinking helps us structure, analyze, and understand this abundant information. Let's take a look at an example that you can use to introduce this topic in your classroom. Imagine you receive an email containing an invitation to an event. To understand what it is in the email, you need to be able to identify key information such as the date, time, location, and other details. This requires the ability to decompose information and recognize patterns. You then need to put this information into context, such as comparing the date with your own calendar and understanding the location based on your knowledge of the area. This requires abstraction and the ability to generalize relevant information. Ultimately, you need to follow a roadmap to determine whether you can attend the event and how to respond. This includes following algorithms or logical steps. So, we can conclude that computational thinking provides a valuable framework for understanding information and data. It enables us to analyze complex problems, organize information, recognize patterns, and devise efficient solutions. By applying computational thinking in our daily lives, we can better cope with the overwhelming amount of information and data we face.